The BrightWay Credit Card is an unsecured card aimed at people working to build or rebuild their credit, especially those who might not have the cash to lock into a security deposit. It is issued by WebBank through OneMain Financial and is fairly straightforward in structure, but it comes with a mix of useful features and serious cost risks. The headline benefit is access without collateral and the ability to earn unlimited 1% cash back on all eligible purchases, which is rare among credit building cards. On top of that, responsible use can trigger Milestone perks after 6 straight on-time payments, letting the cardholder choose between reducing the APR or getting a credit limit increase. For those starting with $300 to $500 limits, this bump can make a big difference in lowering credit utilization and improving scores. The card also reports activity to all 3 major credit bureaus, ensuring that any positive payment history actually helps rebuild your profile. A 1% foreign transaction fee is lower than most subprime cards, making it surprisingly reasonable for occasional overseas use. For disciplined borrowers who pay on time and in full, it offers a clear progression path. On the downside, the purchase APR is steep at 35.99%, and it applies equally to purchases, cash advances, and balance transfers. If a balance is carried even once, interest charges can quickly snowball out of control and erase any rewards earned. An annual fee of up to $89 can eat into both your available credit and your cashback earnings right away, especially if starting with a low limit. While the card is often invitation only, limiting accessibility, its initial limits are small, which can make maintaining a low utilization ratio harder until upgrades kick in. In short, the BrightWay credit card works best for those with poor or fair credit who can commit to paying in full every month and want unsecured access without a deposit. Used perfectly, it can open the door to better terms and higher limits. Used poorly, the extreme APR and annual fee can turn it into an expensive trap.